Sanbunan, hi and welcome. Welcome to the live stream. Hey, camera quality wami yapeda ngi. Phone yami charge ngisebenzisa le USB. Imani, wait, Imani. Okay, let's start the live. Hey, camera quality wa mumbu camera quality wa. But yeah, Sanbunan and welcome to the live stream. Sis Khalil. Lana ginente eyodwa nje engifuna sidiscuss. What do you think is gonna happen with 2030? Like nje, what do you think is gonna happen with 2030? Asihlale phansi sidiscuss le nto lena as abantu abamnyama and try to figure out a way forward. Ngoba nathi siyayifuna le mali, siyawafuna nathi lama million. Sanibonani. Don't you know? Siyawafuna lama million nathi. Siyisonkana siyawafuna. What I'm trying to say is ngo-2030 something is gonna happen. And whatever it is ezokwenzeka, they're gonna make a lot of money. Although baningi abantu abazo-analyze, but isitha will make a lot of money. Yes. Leyo nto bayenza ngo-2020. Yes. Ngo-2020 they introduced i-COVID-19. Baningi abantu who are analyzed, but at the end of the day, umsebenzi awuphazamisekanga. They made a lot of money. They made millions. Billions. Yes, in 2010, they also did the same thing in 2010. They shook the world in the FIFA World Cup in South Africa. They also gave us a few diseases, but they shook the world and made millions. In 2000, they also did the same thing in 2000. Benzani, basilethela amagama amathathu, HIV. It shook the world, and they made millions. So, topic yanamhlanje, what do you think is coming? Because abanye abantu don't really believe in the 10-year gap. Or angithi abanaki. I don't know. Do you think angani noma ngizothi abakholelwa ku-10-year gap noma ngizothi abanaki? Uthi nginamanga ubhuti omdala, uthi nginamanga. Hey, yazi ngicela ukunifaka. Ngicela abarequestayo barequeste. Hey, khona uthi nginamanga. Hey, yazi nina understand khona uthi nginamanga. That means ukuthi angikholwa isicontact yi-10-year gap. Khona into angikholwa isicontact yi-10-year gap. Ha, khona into ophilayo la kulo mhlaba manje ongayiboni lento le. Ha. Lungile. It's fine. Noma ngathi nginamanga. Ngicela ukunifaka. Yeah. Let's start the live. Let's conversate. Let's discuss. Let's find a solution to. Let's see. Who is this?
Sawubona.
Hi,
Kanjani?
Yaphila, and you? How are you?
I'm good.
It's great. It's great to have you here. It's a nice surprise. So since I just started the live, I was telling people actually about the 10-year gap. We have this 10-year gap theory in now. Which is not even a theory, it's been
I
proven.
believe your theory mean. Wait, let me situate myself properly. Just a second while you say something, if you want to say something.
Yeah.
Yes, 1 second.
So yeah, to everyone osanda ukungena, mina ngithi days ever since ngisafunde high school, ever since ngisafunde high school, since abo 2016, 2017, I truly believed and saw ukuthi there's such a thing as a 10-year gap. La khona angazi noma ngizothi umhlaba uyaresetha noma bawuresetha wona, kodwa there's always something that happens. It's all, and lento eyenzekalayo, it's big, and they make billions. Yes. Now I'm asking you as abantu ababukayo, what do you think ngo-2030 is going to happen? What's next? Because if we can only tap in to that industry, find out what's next, we could make millions. Remember one thing, if Bitcoin yaqalwa ngo-2010, right? And they didn't tell us. Research-ke manje-ke ukuthi how much i-Bitcoin is worth. Research, do your research now and tell me how much just one Bitcoin is worth. Because back then it was worth aboma $1. Yes, that means it was worth 15 rand. One Bitcoin was worth 15 rands. I don't know if $1 we malin go 2010, but it was we malin. But now, no, just do your own research. Yeah, I was just trying to find out. Wanda, what do you think is next? Kuna soyenza nasile mali. We want the mali. We want the mali. Ima, let me unmute you. Please unmute.
Okay. Mag, do you think it's
Yeah.
gonna be something good though? Because what I've realized, Uguti, they have this thing, Yoguti, ba divert attention yethu, especially in the media, ne? Uthola ukuthi sinake ezinye izinto yabo njengoba usho 2010 there was a World Cup, 2020 there was a COVID. So they have these things, ne? Yoguthi thina we're going to focus on those things and our attention is there. Whereas bona behind the scenes, they are doing their own things. Ukuze, so that we just not focused on it. No one is asking those questions. No one is bothered by that. Sonke siyahlanya, wow, we World Cup South Africa. Hey,
Africa.
COVID. But honestly, you see a COVID manje because there was never a cure.
Exactly.
Khona abantu
Sahlala.
aba-vaccinate
Yeah, you're right.
I
You're
went
right.
to vaccinate ne because to come to China, I needed to vaccinate. Mangifika lapha khona umlungu wathi ngangise-Eddington wathi use-vaccinate kawu-8 but wesaya futhi vaccinate. So it's like these things, they create these things on purpose. And then mase kuwukuthi i-purpose yabo isidlulile lento befuna whatever they were doing befuna singayinaki sebeqedile, and then it just simmers down and then everything goes back to normal because lento ye-COVID, yeah, it's
It was all
just
for
one of the
money.
many things that they always do.
Yeah, it was just for
That's how
money.
you know.
It's bad,
Mm.
man. It's bad. Because manje one Bitcoin, kono seseshile ukuthi one Bitcoin is worth 1.9 million, which is true. Which is true. Bengifuna bayibhekele bona. And understand ukuthi thina
Mm.
we were crazy. We were crazy. Sithi FIFA World Cup wajabula umuntu omnyama, not understanding ukuthi sifikile i-Bitcoin. Bayithenga. And right now they're sitting on billions. Yabo.
You
2000
see?
we had HIV. 2000 we had HIV. It was introduced to the black community and they made a lot of money ngokudayisa medicine. They're still making money
Mm.
because they are the ones a secret recipe. So it's a secret recipe to medicine, the HIV, right? So I mean I'm stressed because then I've been seeing it since I was in high school. I just ushanje 2020 mina ngangi-ready because I knew ukuthi something was gonna happen. Manje 2030 now I want
Because
imali.
they tried it with the Ebola also, ne? Kwasho ukuthi-ke it didn't stick, but they tried because people were going very fast. Yabo, like the death rate in J because of Ebola was crazy. And it's like it's just that it's very sad ukuthi i-Africa nje as a whole, yabo, it's like this is what I always say, mean ukuthi this whole thing is a game, ne? It's like nina nje mhlampe nidlala ibhola and khona o-coach no-principal nobani they own the stadium. And the worst part ne, for us Africans is that every time we enter the field, everything is already rigged against us. Akukho nje ukuthi wena uzowina. It's like nje you're just fighting a losing battle. You keep fighting, but already it's just not gonna happen.
Yeah, but we want the money though. I mean, I'm focused more on the money side of it. I understand ukuthi le nto abazenzayo, it impacts the world kakhulu and a lot of people get unalived. If you talk about it, dive it deep, it going to be sad because they sacrifice the many in order to make money. But hey, they make a lot of money, man. A lot of money. Manje, how? What's next? What? How? Yazi even akhona ngisho ama-signs mhlawumbe kumele sibuke ama-movie besenzeni to find out ukuthi what's gonna happen next. Hayi bo, ngine-stress cause ngaphuthelwa ngo-2020. 2030 I really wanna tap in so I can at least 1 million, at least one.
I think you should probably invest in AI. Like, yabo, currently, AI is everywhere. And even like influencers, like big influencers, they get paid partnerships with, like, almost everything is AI, manch. So I feel like it's a really fast growing network or whatever if you buy shares there, because I think we are not even slowly, like, highly getting AI dependent. Even yesterday I was live, yes, maybe for like 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, kwathiwa AI summary. AI was summarizer the conversation or the comments that were on the live. So AI is literally everywhere. So if you can buy ama shares lapaya ka Elon Musk or the other ones, it doesn't have to be Elon. I'm just joking. Gaza sometimes
Yeah, mawukhuluma ngo-Elon
Elon,
Musk
ne?
because
But
this thing, yama-chip manje, they're introducing the yama-chip whereby you're able to control like technology and everything around you using ama-chips. Maybe that's the next move. Angazi. Mandlovu, sawubona.
Sanibona ekhaya nonke ninjani?
Ngiyaphila man.
Dala mahlomo dala singakhulumi. Inkinga yami nge-AI, I understand, and then I do encourage young people to go for studying AI, maybe the computer science, AI, things like that, to help us thina abantu bamnyama. Kodwa inkinga ukuthi behind closed door, it is gonna take our job. I'm a teacher, I'm a lecturer in the university. It's very hard these days. Yes, we have to go and learn, but behind closed door, in a reason ethize, imisebenzi eminingi izophela. Though, as we were speaking again about COVID, you know what happened during COVID? There were agreement that was signed behind us not knowing all the government. They signed they signed to World Health Organization ukuthi any outbreak that will happen, then they are going to be in charge of our health. No government will have anything to do with any outbreak or a pandemic. Do you see everything that happened? There is a reason behind. They create something, as we know by now, and then they create a crisis and implement it or give a solution. And we fall for that. Most of their things is been exposed through the movies. Nobobheka abunopopai. Bakhuluma into eziningi abunopopai. There's a message behind each everything. Yazi ngiyamthanda uNkulunkulu ngizongithunge. Ngiyamthanda because it's like kithi uzivula amehlo. Bona bayasitshela kodwa thina asibi aware. If you can go back and check most of the movies, whether it's an action movie or anything movie behind, there is a message that happened currently. Naye COVID, masingakhumbula ngale ama-Olympia lawana ama-Olympic wase-England, yakhonjwa vele exactly i-COVID. Asange sayithathela ikhanda. Basikhomba laphana umuntu ogula igulwane isesibhedlele laphana bakhomba yonke into. It was a COVID. So everything lebayenzayo uNkulunkulu mkhulu is always make sure that uyaba expose, uyabona nje ukuthi baze expose. Now we-AI guys, you can order dadewethu cousin wethu abasebenza ey'tolo, bona umsebenzi wabo uyophelela laphi ngoba uzophela. Ama-cashier, they are in England khona manje, they are done away ama-cashier manje, i-AI, yonke into uyathenga laphana, uyaskena, uyaphuma, uyabhadela. So can you imagine if it come 100% in our country, how's gonna be? Can you imagine that? And then now there's a research that was done. Now it's no longer research now. They will put whatever labafuna ukuthi siyiphuze or siyidle bazoyifaka phakathi kwamapilisi. So yiphi ipilisi abazoyichuza? We don't know. When uzosuka la uye uyemphele emtholampilo lapha mhlawumbe ungaphatheki kahle bese bathi nayi i-blood pressure medication, nayi i-diabetic medication, wena uyaphuza kanti kunento ngaphakathi izokudla ngaphakathi. So asivukeni mzansi ngisasho ku-Ziro ukuthi yes ngempela vele sathusela kodwa manje ukuthula nakhona kuncedani ukusaba uyosaba kuze kwenini. If wena uNkulunkulu ukuthuzile ukuthi uzokhuluma hamba uyokhuluma khuluma kunendlela eziningi njengamanje sikhuluma ngesizulu le language ngikhuluma ngale baya-interpreta ngale bayi-interpreta in English, so there's there's no way to hide guys, that now is our time. So asivusaleni mawunento ethize uyizwile khuluma tshela abantu ukuthi bavuke abantu. uyayizwisisa. So my concern is that we are embracing the AI. Yes, it's good somewhere, but it have its implication, is have the complication tomorrow. Because even now, nami ngisho nje ngithi ngumfundisi kusasa vele that AI will take my job. Says one. So that is my concern most ukuthi singabe ukuthi si embrace too much. Yes, we know it 2020 2030 is all about the new order. Is gonna be there, obviously, according to what they have written from 16 something, 14 something. The script that is happening today is what they have written, and then they are implementing. Bona, there is a particular bloodline that makes sure that everything that is being written is gonna be implemented. So yeah, asivukeni nathi ke. Ngiyabonga.
Ngiyabonga ma, ngiyabonga. That was very deep. Ngiyabonga kakhulu you. Ngwape, hi. Same question to you, Ngwape. What do you think is next 2030? Because we're expecting something big. 10-year gap is real, and we're just trying to figure out what's next so we can tap in and Mnyama can also make those millions.
2030, ne? How are you, Mr. Zero?
Sapila, pututa.
How are you, Wanda? And Mandlo? Yeah, we are okay. Yeah, as me as Zero, I agree with most of the things that you guys are saying, ne? Except where we blame and we shame and we complain. You see, where people complain and blame others for their failures, that's why I don't agree. You know, AI is big, AI is here, AI is the future. And unfortunately, there is nothing we can do about it. There's nothing we can do to stop it. That's unfortunate. That's a fact. So we can say we need to wake up. We are not in positions of power, right? The ShopRite, if ShopRite tomorrow wake up and they employ a robot or automated tills there's nothing we are going to do. What are we going to do? Are we going to destroy ShopRite? Are we going to destroy Spar? Are we going to destroy? Did we destroy KFC? It was introduced in KFC, McDonald's, right? You go there, you serve yourself, you just order stuff. The food is delivered to you, right? And I remember last week I saw a video of a robot delivering food at the hotel. And I'm like, this is where we're going. And unfortunately, there is nothing we can do. There is absolutely nothing we can do. So what we can do about it now is that we need to shift our focus. Those who are unemployed, I really like the idea of investing into AI, like Wanda said. Wanda, that's a very good point, because when you invest into these companies, they are going to grow. It's guaranteed. ChatGPT is going to boom. The robots by that guy. Who's that guy? From South Africa. He's going to make a lot of changes in the world. And for those who wants to be millionaires and make money without working, they need to start investing their money into those companies, because whether you like it or not, they are not going to go back, right? So what I really can say is that we need to wake up. And when I say we need to wake up, I'm not saying that we should be complaining to the people who are in power. No, we just have to play along, So people who play along are people who learn the system and see which gaps they can actually, do what they can do to make means for a living. It's time now people need to enroll into short courses or maybe 6 weeks, 2 years courses about AI, right? Those who are having Vodacom SIM card, you can download Vodacom Play app. There's you can play some. What is that thing? Vodacom. What is the name of that competition for Vodacom? Zero, if you remember, where they give you like three chances a day. Vodacom Play, right? So in
Yeah.
Vodacom Play, there's a thing where you can win. You can win a course for 6 weeks to learn ChatGPT or other AI short courses. So you can win. Then you attend online for free. Vodacom is paying those things for you, right? So those are some of the things that most people they are not aware of, but I'm making them for people to be aware that you can learn about ChatGPT, how to make videos, how to make content, how to write a book, how to do this and that using ChatGPT. So big companies like Vodacom, MTN, Cell C, APSA, whatever, they are giving back to the community with the access to AI courses. So if you are a person umuntu omnyama, stop complaining ukuthi the system is rigged. There is no system rigged for you. There are free courses
Why?
there.
Namanga.
Wait,
The
let me
system is
finish,
rigged
Zero.
for
Let me
us.
finish, Akira. Let me finish. So there are courses there. Hence, I'm telling you, you can now go to your Vodacom app now and play Vodacom Play. You will win 8 weeks course for ChatGPT to learn about ChatGPT. And with that information you learn from there, I can guarantee you there is something you can do with your life other than sitting and telling us, Guti, the system is there. White people don't like us. This is not a matter of
Vale,
white
they don't
people.
like us. You love white people. That's your problem.
But
You
do you
make sense.
Mina
Matikina,
zero. Mina
uthanda
zero
belungu.
ngiyamuza ungwapha. No, no,
Ngithi
no, no,
ungwapha
no. No,
umazi
that's not
Wanda.
what he's
He
saying.
loves the whites. He's the same as
Okay,
rats. He's the same as
wait,
rats.
angmazi ne, and vele most of the people la bamthandi bebengamfuni ngisho uthangeni. But mina ngiyamuzwa ukuthi uthini. Uqinisile vele. It's like mfethu uyingane like a toddler utshela umzali wakho ukuthi angalithenga i-rice. Uzolithenga still. Yabo, Tina, we don't have any power to change these things. And the best way to make any sort of change or to have any sort of say is to be within. Vele kumele ngabe we are investing in this AI. We are learning about this AI because whether we like it or not, yabo, it's not even a futuristic thing esithi hayi bo mhlampe kuzokwenzeka. It's already happening and it's just gonna keep getting worse and worse. It is replacing people, it is replacing their jobs. It's happening everywhere. Literally, there's a country and no minister. Oh, AI, a minister in parliament. Oh, AI. So it's not like lento le there's much we can do to stop it. Ukuthi nithi nizostrika, ukustrika kake kwenzani? Kwake kwenzani? It's not gonna
Abe,
make any difference.
iyona ndlela we're gonna empower ourselves. We need to bring about ushintsho. You guys are selling out the black community. Nina, you don't understand.
Zero,
Please.
It's depressing
striking
when
is
you
not
guys look up,
empower,
you
my
look
brother.
down on us. When you look down on
No,
us, you're depressing
It's
us,
like
guys.
when Azero you wanna bring a knife to a gunfight, masu uyitshela ukuthi uzowina. You're not.
And
You're
that's the
playing in the
problem.
big leagues.
You think it's in is pity knife. That's the problem. Got teen as the blacks, we're the ones who carrying the guns. Ain't understanding. Nina.
Zero. Do you know now if you can you can type on ChatGPT and say, ChatGPT, I'm from South Africa. Do you know business opportunities in my country? ChatGPT will give you business opportunities that are available for you. And you can even ask ChatGPT and say, I am a person who is passionate about 1, 2, 3. ChatGPT will give you how you can start your own business in whatever that you're interested in. If you are a political person, ChatGPT can give you information how to monetize. You see, now you've got a big platform. ChatGPT can actually give you ways that you can monetize and create a company around the things that you do on TikTok for free. But then when I zero, you don't want to do it because you want to be a victim. You want to convince the millions of black people, Ogoti, the white person is the problem. They are
Because they
criticism.
are. Because
No,
they are. When you
that
just love these people
no,
so much that you're not willing to see the truth.
It means what a zero. It
You
means
make
zero when
sense,
you
Bafo. No,
zero.
I'm
Do
not
you
gonna.
know?
I'm not gonna downgrade
sorry
what you
for
just said. It makes sense.
intruding.
It makes sense. But mina into now is that you worship these guys so much that you're not willing to see the power that you hold as umuntu omnyama, that you don't even see that you come from a bloodlines of kings and queens, that you're destined for greatness. Kunaloko, you choose to bow to our enemies.
No, zero. This is not a matter of black people versus white people. It is the matter of evil versus good versus
It's
evil.
always black and white, my brother.
No,
It's always
wait,
black
zero.
and
Let me
white.
show. No, wait. This is a matter of bad versus good. Those who are Christians, they understand what I'm talking about. We are towards the last days. And the last days, wait, zero, wait. The last days have nothing to do with the race. It is the evil versus good. So the moment you understand what we are in the spiritual war, whereby it is good that is, I mean, it is the evil that is fighting the good, you're gonna have an easy life. There is no system in the world that says that black people can do it. Why do
Ha,
Nigerians come into our
ha.
country?
There's
Wait,
no
why
system that
Nigerians
black
come
people
into our
can do it.
country?
No, no,
Wait,
no,
zero.
Uti, there's
What?
no system that says
No,
black
there is no
people can't do
system.
it.
No, there's no
Ha,
system
ha.
because
VIP
wait,
system.
I thought I
VIP.
was with you, Ngwape, but you lost me, ne?
no
You
wait. I
lost
don't
me.
have to. You don't have to be with me, but then listen to me, right? There is no system where it. I mean, are you telling me there's a system that is integrated with genetics? Oguchi, the moment you
No,
want to do it, it
no.
says you are black, you can't.
Yes,
What is the name
yes,
of that
Yes.
system?
yes.
What is the name?
Racism for one.
Racism does not.
Racism for one.
Racism is not existing, my sister. It does not
It's not
exist.
existing.
Stop
Yeah.
Oh,
lying.
ma.
Stop lying.
Mina.
Stop lying.
Mina
Stop lying.
wengwape ne.
Oh,
Wengwape mina. I live in China ne. I literally see job ads every day. Bezothi white. Bezothi non-native white Europeans. Those people don't speak English. They are non-native. Kubhaliwe. But just because they are white, they will prioritize them over black people. Even black people that are native English speakers. You cannot tell me that racism does not exist. Racism is literally everywhere. Crazy that racism exists in South Africa, where black people should be coming first. Even when Nangwap, a majority of even black people, they will choose umlungu over umuntu omnyama. You guys white worship so much. Uzositshela ngama-Nigerians, ama-Nigerians ayahlupheka. Ayikho into ongasikhomparisha ngawo ama-Nigerians. Mefika to our countries, afika azoba yigebengu. That is not even an example. That is not even an example ongayenza yokuthi, oh, look at a successful black person and you're pointing at a Nigerian, you're pointing at a criminal. Please try something else.
Utahiki racism.
So you didn't go into answer
Teflon.
my question, Wanda. I asked you a question, which why do they come into the country where you say you have a system against you as a black person, but when they come here as black people, they achieve. The Nigerians, the
They
Zimbabweans,
achieve.
They are
the
criminals.
Somalians.
I answered you. They do crime. That's
You
how they
didn't.
achieve.
Not
They
all of
need
them
to
do
achieve in
crime.
the
Wena
No, that
wena
is not
wena
true.
wena
They
wena
That is not
ngwabe
true.
wake waye eklinik noma
That is
esibhedlela
not
wafica
true.
udokotela Nigerian.
Do you know the number
Have
of
you ever
Nigerians?
been assisted
Give
by a
me the
Nigerian
statistics.
doctor?
Give me the statistics of Nigerians
Tell
that
me,
are in jail in South Africa. Please give me the statistics.
they're not in jail, but all of them are criminals
Guape,
because
Guape, can
How do
I?
you know that
give
criminals
me
if they're not
one
in jail?
example. Oti
let's just
yazin mina ngaenda wenetile
You can't
and I
say
was
people
serviced
commit
by a
crime and they are not
Nigerian. I was
arrested.
helped by a Nigerian. All of them are
Teflon,
criminals.
asiqale kuwena.
A
Basebenza.
majority of Nigerians A
Yo,
majority of Nigerians are using South African to sell drugs. So the South Africans are the one who goes to jail because their Nigerian boss is left behind in South Africa. That's how they succeed in life. They make money through drugs. They export them from other countries to South Africa using female South African. So the South African, they get arrested in the
Do
foreign
you know
countries.
any? Do you know any Nigerian
I know, I
powder
know, I
powder
know
boss? Then why don't
plenty
you
of
report him?
examples.
Why
I
don't you
can
report
even
him?
like,
Why don't you report
pardon?
him?
The
Ngwabe
Teflon,
ngingambuza
what do you have to say? Asiqale
Ngwabe
kuwena.
You know,
ngingambuza
yeah.
Ngwabe.
Can I say something? You know, Mr. Ngwepe, the
Ha,
first time.
comrades. Ha, 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 ha. Comrades,
What
Daniel.
a combo. What a combo.
Hey,
Yeah.
yo.
Yo.
Ngwabe
So, Yeah,
Come
so
Edwin
on.
uyabathanda
Nginombuzo for
u-Edwin.
ungwabi.
Uthini
Nginombuzo for
wethu?
ungwabi engicela uphendule.
wait, Zero and everyone on the panel. The first time in my life, the first time that I met a Nyaupe dealer, that person was Umuntu Omnyama from South Africa. He's the
Wait.
first powder dealer. He's the
Uyithathe
first.
kwi-Nigeria. Angithi
No.
that's our point.
So the point is that abantu bamnyama are just as bad as the Nigerians because abantu
No, no,
bam
no, no, no.
Ah,
You
Hayi
wish.
because
You wish.
nje
You
wena
wish.
so
awushayisa
so
ngomoya.
abantu
Nigeria, a global
yeah
pandemic, not even a South African pandemic,
I
a
mean
global. You have countries
Awushayisa
like the
ngomoya.
US
Eyi,
and a
eyi,
lot of other countries, they don't even want to give them visas
eyi,
because igebengu.
akafudumeza ibheji kancane
Hayi,
uReds. Eyi,
lalela,
akamoya
isitha vele kade sayiphaka impi. Isitha nje kade sayiphaka impi safika e-Afrika iyodwa, izwana. Isitha safika sayidivide. Angeke vele uhlukaniswe ikhaya lilodwa bese ingane zandawo ezizwana bese uyangena wena ubahlukanisa bese ucathi bazoma bangashayani. Bazokobhana izinto ey'ningi silwa ndawonye nje ne-Afrika engenhla because sona isitha lesi abasikhulumelayo. Isithi into efike yayenza i-Afrika ibone i-Afrika ukuthi iyodwa yayidivada kuqala i-Afrika phakathi. Yabeka ama-boundaries, yabeka imingcele, sangakwazi ukuhambelana nabanye obrada bethu. Safika isitha safika nama-drugs, safika nayo yonke into. Sasesithi okay, mina-ke sasiphuca umnotho wethu. That is why namhlanje kukhona oMbappe balo Phumelo Mfanekazana lo Phumeni. Because isitha siyabuka manje lapho uthi awubheke lezi limi iy'nkawu ziyashayana zodwa manje, uyabo? But at the same time i-continent yethu le. Angaze sifike kuphi-ke la sesikhuluma nge-white and black, besikhuluma nge-I_A. Le nto ade yisho uMbampe ukuthi useyiphoxile nje kumina, ubeqinisile ukuthi ngeke size no-Wanda Desho nje angeke sisashintsha vele. Vele iy'ngane zenu zobe y'bhala ngayo i-I_A, zobe zenza ngayo i-I_A, ngeke thina sesisindile sesibadala but iy'ngane zenu yizona. Kumele vele nihlakaniphele, ningahlezi ni-complain. Empilweni awufuni uhlezi u-complain, funa ukuthi okay, nayi impilo sebeyibekile, so yini mina engingayenza ukuze nami ngi-achieve, ukuze nami ngi-survive kuleyo mpilo. Ifunde leyo nto, uma usuhlezi uyi-complain-a, uma usuhlezi uxeka, that is why sinezinto ezingekho right because people thina siyahlupha ngokuhlezi si-complain-a njalo. But if besifunda impilo and si-realize ukuthi kahle kahle umqhathi wempilo isitha leso singafani nebala lethu, yiso safike sahlukanisa i-Afrika. Silwa kangaka namhlanje siqhudelana ngoba besho oMbappe laba bethi hayi, uma uhamba emgaqweni ushaya umuntu omnyama, ukidnapha umuntu omnyama. No, because isitha safika nemali yayingekho imali Afrika, okuyi-butter trade, abaney'nkomo, benamalimi, benemfuyo, benayo yonke into, bephila kamnandi kungekho butha phakathi kwabantu abamnyama. But safika isitha nemali, safika isitha sadivide sathi hayi wena uhlala le eNigeria, wena waseBurkina Faso, hayi wena wase-South Africa, sakha imingcele. That is why siyohlezi shayina yinye nje kuphela esishayana ngale mali yesitha. Namanje ifaka bona i-I_A laba yenza yona same system yokuqhubeka yona iqhubeke phambili and futhi njalo uma unganothisi ngempela after 10 years kuhlezi kunento abazoyenza. Bona baphethe umhlaba, thina sihlele sesikhuluma sibuka iy'ndaba sigwebhana sikhuluma ngento eyodwa. Why singayifundi? Asiyifunde-ke nathi i-I_A le, asiyifunde nathi, especially iy'ngane zenu. Inina nje enisenkingeni, thina sesibadala but nina ngoba nibancane, inina ekumele ngempela ninga-complain kakhulu. But okay, yini-ke nathi esingayenza ukuze simhlakaniphele nohulumeni wethu because siyambona ukuthi kahle kahle uzokwenzani, uzokuba rich ngezwe lethu thina sikhona. So yifundeni nina, musani uku-complain and musani because isitha vele siyabukela manje ukuthi hayi napha bayaqhuthana ku-zero bani i-platform. Siyabuka nje ukuthi ngiyibambele impi yami. Ayisekho, akasalwe ngey'bhamu nangamabhomu nangey'mmese nani, but uselwa ngani? Nge-economic, uselwa ngalezi zinto ay'fakayo. Useyabukela sesishayina sisodwa thina singabantu abamnyama.
Zero, could you please enlarge my screen, please? Zero, if you can read this article, please enlarge my screen, Zero, quickly. Or moderators, please enlarge my screen. Please, Zero. So it says, arrested VBS accused ANC Mayor Julia Matebe to step aside from party tasks. So this lady was arrested for the VBS scandal. So uyabona ukuthi black women are destroying South Africa. You see what's happening?
So black woman manje, right? You say, guys, here's what you don't understand. In order for people to receive something that you're giving them, you need to meet them at their level, and you need to familiarize yourself with whatever they do and who they are. So obviously, bazosebenzisa abantu abamnyama, they always gonna use black people. But it's not like these
Why
people
black
are
people are these
driving
weak people
forces.
who get used by everybody? Arabs, whites, Indians, everybody uses you. What's wrong with you blacks? Huh?
You know what's the issue?
Hayibo,
When
hayibo,
How?
yini?
What's wrong with
the
you?
issue
Uthi what's wrong with you
mina
blacks?
ngizokuchazela. Wait, let me explain. Mina yazini wengwapha inkinga yeni leli iBhayibheli lenu ngintshele ke mina kutshela. The whole reason why black people be down below isicathulo is because you guys don't have a religion, you don't have an identity. Nikholelwa iBhayibheli nizothi end of time and all this. Arabs have their own religion. Indians have their own religion. All these other countries and races and nationalities, they have their identities, they have their religions, they have their culture, things that they believe in. Nina South Africa celebrates Halloween manje. You don't even know what Halloween is. Anwazi usukaphi, anwazi uqhamukaphi, nibhizi namaBhayibheli masucathi there's somewhere that you're gonna go. Ukholelwa kumlungu, umlungu obhale i-dictionary ebhale black as evil, as darkness, as everything that's bad. And then white kuzothi purity, angel, ubani masuyitshela ukuthi that person cares about you. Uyitshela ukuthi that person wants to share izulu nani. Masuyitshela ukuthi oh please. So until you guys stop worshipping abelungu, until you guys stop ukholelwa kwiBhayibheli eningalazi ukuthi liqhamukaphi, there was never a way umlungu would willingly share heaven with umuntu omnyama if it was real. You know that they hate us worse than izinja, but still
Wanda, are you
uzothi hayi
saying white
umbuso
people are the one
wezulu.
who brought Christianity in
Please.
Africa?
Yes.
What
Who
year was
brought
that?
it?
What year was that?
Who brought Christianity to Africa?
Okay, let me take you
If
back.
it wasn't white people who brought it to Africa.
Okay, let me give you the answer then. Do you know in the Bible there's a book called the Book of Genesis? The Book of Genesis is telling us that the first person was made was Adam. Do you believe Adam was black or white?
I believe it was black.
The first person who was
He was
made was
black.
Adam.
Yeah? You believe Adam was black. So do you think Adam was created in Europe or Adam was created in Africa?
The first person
No,
who
wait,
was made.
I'm asking Wanda.
He-
Wanda, answer my question. Do you think Adam was created in Africa or in Europe?
And uba serious masuqamba manga. That's the problem, Nangwapi.
Zero, wait. Let Wanda answer those
I
questions.
almost wanna believe you, Ngwapi.
No, Wanda,
Teflon,
answer those
uyithi?
questions.
Sawubona Teflon, hi.
But I did answer.
I said, I asked another question, Uguti. Do you believe Adam was created in Africa or in Europe?
Yamuzwa lo muntu uphi Teflon.
I believe that he was created in Africa. I keep
Yes.
saying that. But
So-
the bottom
No,
line
stop
here is that
right
I
there,
do
stop
not
right
believe in
there.
the Bible.
Stop
So
right
the
there.
whole story there.
Stop right there.
Hayi,
Stop
ngeke
right there.
ngwapima.
Was Jesus
Teflon.
raised in Africa or in Europe?
No, asithi.
In Africa.
Zero
No,
weight. Yes.
was Jesus
So then
white or
how?
black? Siqalela,
No, zero
siqalela
weight.
nini?
Zero, don't interrupt
Let's
me.
go-
I'm
no,
talking. Zero
no, let's go
weight.
back.
Zero weight.
Let's
Please,
go
yeah.
back.
Please,
We need to
ngiyacela,
go
Zero.
Cook,
Please,
Cook,
ngiyacela,
I want
please.
to take you there.
Ngiyacela.
Cook, Nyega
Yes.
Cook.
Ngwape nawe njengathi uyasibrainwasha
So Wanda,
understand.
you know the history that Jesus was raised in Africa, right? So if Jesus was raised in Africa, who was teaching him about Ilizo Lemkos? Who was teaching Jesus about the gospel of God? Was the Africans or it was the Europeans?
First of all, I
No,
don't
you must
believe
give
in
me
the
the
Bible. Second of all, I don't believe in Christianity. So everything in the Bible, everything that has
fine.
to
I
do
checked
with
you out. You
Jesus
see?
and what's not, it has
You see, I
nothing to
checked you
do
out
with
there.
us. It
You
has
see, I checked
nothing
you
to
out
do with
there.
us. I'm telling you.
But do you see that you lied when you said
Huh?
white people are the ones who brought Christianity into Africa, which you lied. You just proved to your point that you were lying.
That is the truth. Who wrote the Bible? Who wrote
Mr.
the Bible?
Wait,
You said Jesus was
Mr.
raised in Africa. How?
Mr. Ngwepe? Wait,
According
Mr.
to the
Ngwepe?
Bible that
Because
was
you
written
forced
by
her
white
to
people.
choose.
So
Bro,
then
Can
she
you
how?
also
doesn't, she
speak?
So
doesn't
white
even
people
believe in
would.
the
You are
Bible.
crazy. You are
Wait,
crazy, sister.
so, yeah, wait,
They
Mr.
wrote
Ngwepe.
Crazy
the
one,
Bible.
Mbappe. Mbappe is the
Yeah,
Chris.
you know,
Teflon,
Who
wait,
Teflon,
wrote Genesis?
Bro,
Was it
what's a
Moses?
Teflon?
Who wrote Genesis, Mr. Zero? It was
The
Moses.
Bible,
Moses
the Bible is all.
was the king of Moses was
It
the
was
king of
brought to
Egypt,
us.
wasn't
It
he?
was brought to us by the
No,
settlers.
it was not
There's
brought
a
to us. It
Stalin
was
The
not brought to
settlers
us.
came with.
It
It
was
was
not
brought
brought to
to us
us.
by the
It
settlers.
was not brought to
So,
How?
us.
so who
It was
brought
not
the
brought to
Bible,
us.
nigga?
wait.
Who
So
brought
I want to ask
Christianity?
a question.
Us.
Do you know the
Mister, wait,
oldest Bible in the world? It is the Ethiopian Bible.
Abe, nango an Ethiopian
Ethiopia
Bible.
from Europe
Nango an
or from
Ethiopian
Khona
India?
Bible.
Ethiopian
Okay,
Bible
all right.
uqinisile lapho.
Was Jesus
Yes.
white or black?
Genesis, the whole book,
Was
Genesis,
Jesus
Black.
white or black?
Was black.
it was black.
Guys,
Was
yabo
black.
mina wengwaphe ne into engifuna uyi-understand. Asibuka umlando kaShaka. Typical, clear, easy example.
So
Umlando
now you are
kaShaka
twisting. When I'm
wonke
a sister,
is a lie.
you are
Umlando
good at
kaShaka
changing stories now.
ofundiswe esikoleni.
Mr.
How am
Ngwepe,
I
can I
changing
say
stories?
something?
I'm telling you,
You know,
Uguti,
yeah,
When you
Abelungu
wait,
always change stories,
wrote.
you consider
yeah, it's
you
like,
consider own goals. Stop. Let's give each
yeah,
other people.
yeah. You know, Mr. Ngwepe, we have Christianity, and then we have black tradition. And I prefer Christianity because Christianity speaks about one man, one woman, and a family, all under God. But our
Eh,
culture and
The
tradition,
problem is,
no, wait, let me finish.
Lies,
but the problem is, right?
No,
It talks
wait,
about a
Ubalo
white
namafazi
person
about
though.
500 ebhayibhelini.
no, can
Please
I
don't
finish?
It talks
lie.
about a
Don't
white
Can I
lie.
person though,
finish?
Reds.
Polygamy
No,
is
allow me
in
to
the
finish.
Bible. Don't lie.
Can I
Don't lie.
finish?
Christianity
Don't
favors
Can
lie,
I
Reds.
polygamy.
You're
Most go
lying,
to
No,
one
Reds.
man.
can I finish?
No
Lies.
Reds,
Lies.
banamanga,
These
banamanga,
Allow me
people
to
in
lies.
the
finish.
Bible, they have several wives and even
No.
concubines.
So
Please.
as I was saying, the
Mr.
Bible
White,
believes in the family. Yeah, the Bible believes in the family unit, all under the leadership of God. Black traditions, they believe in a girl there, a girl here, girls all over, and you don't even take care of your children. That's the reason why we're
Bible.
black.
Ow. What tradition is that? Hey.
So that's the reason.
Awuphume wena mfana ukhuluma into engekho la.
I humble Reds ngeke.
No, but it's true. It's black culture. It's black. That's the reason why so many children grow up
Hayibo.
staying with their fathers. It's because the ladies are busy, the men are busy. It's
Hayi
just
suka.
chaos within the
Khuluma into
black
engekho.
community. It's
Humble
just
Reds.
chaos. Like we,
Friends, do you know that the
It's very
Bible
listen,
is just an
confusing.
right?
American
Aningithanda
novel? I
as
don't
well.
know whether American or
So,
something, but it's just a
so
novel that was written to
so
manipulate us.
Indaba.
Kunabo Israel
no,
lapha, kunabo
no.
Ayi
Egypt,
iyawa lento
indzawo
yakho
tebantu
Sipho.
abamhlophe tonke lethu.
Wenge,
Kene khandzela ugoba.
Mr. White,
Hlezi bo Israel, kubantu abamhlophe, kubantu abamhlophe. There's this video
Apparently,
yaziro lengiyibukele in
Ugutolan,
the
if you're
recent days.
supposed to
Leya
accept
this
the
guy
sorry.
who wanted fame until azathatha isithombe sajesu. Ayikho nje yonke lento lena guys. Forget about the
So,
Bible. You don't even know where it's come from.
yeah,
There's
but
a
why
bathi
do
loku
so
question. Yo.
wait? Why do so like why do so many children in the black community, their mothers are busy, their fathers are
Busy
not married
with
to their
what?
father.
Get straight to the
So yeah, I
Because
want to
point.
they
over to you.
brainwashed you, Reds.
I want to over to
Because
you.
you guys are brainwashed.
No,
That's why.
no,
That's the
You guys are
reason.
manipulated.
no.
Let's
The
not
only way,
speak.
no, the only
Teflon,
way.
speak.
Wait,
Khuluma
wait.
Teflon.
The
No
only way to
Reds,
fix.
Sula. No Reds.
Listen, Zero.
Teflon, you can
The only
speak.
way to
You can
fix.
speak, Teflon. We're gonna listen.
Wait.
Yeah. Yeah, you can speak Teflon after when it's gonna be Mr. White. Cut it soon.
Zero, my bro. Thank you for giving me the platform. I hope you all are doing good. You're fine. Usually, I don't prefer discussing about the religion thing because you have people who are like Reds and Gwape here. I believe that both of you, Reds and Webbe, are grown full adults. There is a quote that says, the man who forget where he's from, the man who abandon his roots, is nothing but an unliving thing in this world. So when you are opposing your history, when you are saying you are not believing in your history, you are taking a religion that was forced into your people. If you know how Christianity was forced into black people, I don't think you would be praising it. But since you are a white man puppet, you are praising it. Reds, Mepru, I don't have nothing much to say to you, including Mr. Ngwape here. But what I can say to you is that what you should know is whenever you are leaving this world, whenever your time is over, your children will be having nothing except that my daddy was a white man as slick. You will have nothing to leave for your children. Both
No,
of
that's
you, listen, I'm still
no, but
talking.
that's not true. Okay, can I
Okay,
speak up?
proceed. Say what you're
My
saying.
brother, I just need you to elaborate on saying that Christianity wasn't forced on us. Please
Anyway,
explain
it's
that.
I
Deflon and
know.
then Mr.
Okay,
White that's gonna speak.
yeah,
Let's
No,
please
wait.
follow
Anyanyan.
order.
Yeah.
Hey,
So
Reds,
what I want to say is,
no, Reds, no,
yeah,
Tula, nope. Skatel. Hey, Mr. White, Aungen, please come in now and educate Mr. Ngwape and Mr. Reds, because hey, they've been making mistake after mistake. Hey.
Okay, my boy. Hey, gentlemen, how you doing, ladies and gentlemen? Zero, how are you, brother?
We're good.
Yeah, man. Mwepe, how you doing there? Long time. Wait, my
Long time,
boy.
Mr. White. Long time, Mr. White. I'm good.
Yeah,
Thanks
man.
for asking.
I'm so sorry. You guys were having such a good conversation about AI investments and Zero, right? I actually want to call you out. I'm actually going to play devil's
Okay.
advocate, my boy, because
Okay.
firstly, you're a hypocrite. We man, right? Because
Okay.
your videos go viral. They go super viral because you do research. And most of the facts that are collected online are actually verified by AI. You actually don't show that when you make your videos, when you prepare your presentation and stuff like that. But you mostly consume stuff that is rapidly fact checked. You know what I mean? Like, you don't just cook shit up. You don't just watch a video and say, oh, I'm just gonna make a video about this guy. You talk about Freemasons. You talk about a whole lot of hidden stuff. You know what I mean? Stuff that you need AI most of the time online for us to verify, Uguti. Is it not just bullshit generated or what?
You
You know what I
need
mean?
AI, not me.
Wait,
You
I'm
need
not
AI
done, my
to
brother.
verify
I'm
the
not done.
information I show
I'm
you.
not done.
Mina, I
No.
don't use AI.
Bruh,
You need AI to
zero.
verify.
You're
Masubuke
exactly.
ivito
I'm
yam.
not done, dude. I'm not
There's a
having a discussion.
difference.
Wait, we're moving in such a very, very wonderful tone. You made a video about how to clean your money. That was very actually wise. You know what I mean? How 800,000 can disappear into businesses, spaza shops, and stuff like that. It took a lot of time for you to think about that. You just what? Okay, I'm just gonna make a video about teaching
Yeah, that's true.
hustlers how to make money. You actually made impeccable research.
Yeah.
You went online, you dig through this, this, you watch this. There's a guy, right, who's a conspiracy theorist. I actually, he's not a conspiracy theorist because he's on TikTok and he's on Facebook and YouTube, but he's actually famous. He doesn't, he just types and makes facial expressions and types on Google, like he does mostly Google searches about facts and stuff like that. He then made one video where he was showing people that get murdered, people that invent stuff and get murdered. And he actually also, referenced one of the guys that you made a video about extensively. You went deep about that stuff. You just made a little clip, not even 30 seconds. You made a whole video, almost 20 minutes, talking about a kid from the Western Cape who supposedly got murdered, unalived by Helen Zell. You know what I mean? So you went into detail, and I actually mentioned you in that other video. I'm like, hey, Zero, here's the guy, he actually made a video about what the fuck.
Yeah, I
You know what I
remember. I
mean?
remember that.
So
I remember that.
consume. All I'm trying to simply say is you consume most of the stuff that is designed by Israelis, the Freemasons. Your videos are going viral on every platform because you fact check your stuff and you're using the same system that you this at the same time and this and forgetting that you
Because
are
the
getting
system
what
itself is corrupt, my brother.
you are a graduate. You
But
this
the
system
whites, is
makes
that
you
the
what?
only
Listen
way
to
he
me.
can
What?
verify
Listen,
his
no, I'm not
checks,
talking. I'm not
his
talking to you.
facts?
Hello. I'm not talking to you, love. I don't want to be rude
Abe.
to you. I'm not talking to you.
Okay, okay.
Mr. White,
Yeah,
do
Mr.
not
White,
bring an
silalele.
attitude here, sir. You should
Hey,
respect everyone on the panel. If Mr. Wanda is
hey,
asking you a question, kindly
No,
respond to her. Do not say that, sir.
I'm having
don't
a
be
Respect
rude.
everyone on the panel. We are all
Don't be
equal here.
rude.
Thank you.
I'm trying to steer the conversation. We were talking about investments, AI. It was actually a very, very nice conversation. And you heard Mwape now going into deep and you realize, oh, this guy knows something that, are actually white people know. And that means Zero, you do the same thing. You just don't hang with white people. But now white people actually want to hang with you because your videos are going viral.
I
And
don't
and
want to
then
hang with them. They are our enemies, my brother.
they
Don't
want
you
to invite you
understand that?
somewhere.
Don't you
Hey,
understand the
you
threats?
are a communist. Some of we communist still time demand. You understand?
No,
You're a
no,
communist.
my brother, no. Don't you understand the
You,
threats? Asqale lapho. Are you in support of them? No, man, now are you one of us and you see the threats? We see it. Let's
Yeah,
start
wait,
there
wait.
first.
Can I
why
please
is
Mr.
it?
White,
interject?
no, Reds, no, Reds.
I'm
Please,
sorry.
Kangan, the adults are speaking. Kangan, Reds. Yeah, Mr.
Why
White.
why are you using the CETA word and
Because,
and
yeah,
at the same time you are moving secretly, you are consuming CETA knowledge? Because listen to me, online, there's whole entire online courses available. What Mwape said is actually very, very, I didn't know about that, but I know online there's whole entire courses on how to become a fully qualified
Mr.
accountant.
Wise, there's something you don't understand. There's something you don't understand. Most people are delusional. They don't see the truth. I have to do these things. I have to make these videos. I have to tell people these things so that they can be more aware of what's actually going on, because the illusion corner out there is big enough that most people are delusional and they cannot see iqiniso. That hurts me the most. It hurts me the most. Uthi, people don't actually see. Uthi, these people are our enemies. They don't
Yes,
see the
sharp.
enemy. That's why ngibuza ukuthi wena, are you one of us? Do you see ukuthi these are people are our enemies? Noma do you choose to deny leli qiniso elikhona nawe? Are you like uNgwape and Reds?
Wait,
Which side
let
are
me
you
tell you what's
on?
going on.
Asiqale lapho. Which side are you on?
Okay, let me tell you what's going on right now in the US, right?
Asiqala la. Which
Question.
side are you
Answer
on?
the question. Which side are you on?
Yes.
The question is simple. Which side are you on? Pendula umbuzo ndoda before you proceed.
I'm not a demo.
No, but there's
I'm
no
not left. I'm
side,
not.
Zero. What side are we talking about? Are white
There's a
people all
side.
people on the
There's a
same side?
side. Yoibo, there's a
Are
side.
all
Answer
white
the
people on the same
question.
side and black people
Mr.
also in the same
White,
side?
Ngwape, the adults are speaking. Mr. White, which side are you on?
I'm not on in any side. I'm a neutral person. I'm an observer.
You can't be
I
neutral. You
don't.
can't observe. You
I'm not
cannot be
I'm
neutral.
not.
You cannot observe.
I'm not subscribed
Are
to
you
anything. I'm not
are you
friends with
one of
white
us?
people. I'm not friends with either.
Are you one of us? Do you
I'm a
see
human
what
being.
these white people are our
I'm an
enemies?
earthling.
At least answer that. Do you see what they are our enemies?
How
That they have
many black people are there in the streets? Yeah. How many black people are murdering each other in the streets?
Mr.
Murder.
White, are you one of us? Do you see the threats? Do you see the struggle that black people have to suffer because of our enemies, Isita? Are you one of us, yes or no?
And then who's Cyril Ramaphosa? Zero. Who's Cyril Ramaphosa then? Who's Cyril Ramaphosa? Who's Jacob Zuma? Jacob Zuma was once president.
Answer the question. Answer the question. Stop beating the
It's been
bush.
answered. The question has been answered. Saying right.
Chronology. I told you already. I'm not left. I'm not right. I'm not in anybody's side. I don't.
Why you choose the white people? We see you, my brother. We see you, my brother.
No ways, dog. You're talking rubbish.
We see you.
Stop being rude. Stop
Can I
being
please
rude,
interject?
Baba.
Look,
Stop
You
being
want
rude.
what?
yes,
Make
it's
your
fine.
viral video. You come here on TikTok and you want to be a communist. That's bad, my
Look,
friend.
Wait,
Am I a
Mr. White,
communist for
I just
supporting the
want to
black
say,
community? If
wait,
supporting
Zero,
the black
for
community
me,
and making sure I promote black excellence makes me a
wait,
communist, then so be it,
look,
my brother. I only support the black community. I only love black
yes.
people.
Zero, we respect that. But you asked him which side he's on. For me, I'm on the, I'm on the, I'm on the South African side, all races. But also, I'm also on white women's side because I love white women. I want to have a white girlfriend, because white women don't wear weaves. White women respect their men. White women are obedient, and black
Mm.
women, they fight with you nonstop. Ay. For me, I am on the white women's side. Zero.
Mr. Reds, when you order food in the restaurant where the teen lady is a white, what does she say when she gives you something wrong and you complain?
God.
She apologizes. She say, "Oh, sir, please forgive me, sir." But with a
Ah.
black woman, they don't care. Like, what's wrong with black women, Mr. Ngwepe?
You know, they will even insult you for which when you said you wanted breast instead of
Mm.
the.
Ngokuthi nje yangicasula lo mfana ukhuluma naye. All right.
Yeah, I want to
So
Mr.
when I
Red.
read mad because
Mr. White,
black women
Mr. White,
Yeah.
rejected
do
you,
not bring your
you were not
emotions here,
their
sir.
type.
Mr. White, do not bring your
But
emotions
why
here,
do
sir.
you guys get
We are here to
angry when we
debate.
say that
Do
we
not bring
want
your emotions.
quarter chicken of a leg, you give us the breast, and when we complain, no, I wanted leg, you get crazy. Why do you do that? White women don't do that in white restaurants. They apologize. They be like, "Sir, I'm so
I'm
sorry.
defeated.
It do
I'm
not fit
defeated, man.
itself. Do you want more?" They ask you.
You
And do you
guys,
know when you wait, Zero, when you have a white boss and you say, "Boss, I just got involved in a car accident. I've got a bit of a scratch." She's gonna be like, "Oh, I'm so sorry, Zero. Please take 5 days of your leave, relax there, go see psychologist." When it's a black boss, yeah. Ngiyakufuna la emsebenzini wena, ngiyakufuna la emsebenzini. It is not you are not the first one to be involved in a car accident. Ungangidakeli lapho. You understand? That's the
So
difference.
Nangwepe, are you saying you don't know how narcissistic white people are?
No,
You're
that's
saying
not
you
All
don't
of them.
know
I mean, there
how?
are narcissistic black people,
Hey,
narcissistic white people.
But there are more,
especially the women. Those
Zero.
people are
Mr.
nightmares. Nina Nje,
No, they
inking
not.
Have
I
you
know
I
dated
think,
them?
you
Have
got
you
rejected
dated
by
them?
black women
Have you
and then
dated
send
them?
have you dated white
Zamagi
women?
with
Have
the
you
white
dated white
women.
women? Have you
and
dated
He
white
hasn't,
women?
he hasn't,
Tolani, hi, welcome,
Wait.
Tolani.
Kunjani
I've
mfethu?
met them. You're talking about a
Yaphila,
boss. Ne, you didn't say
Ngiyaphila.
dating someone, you were
wait.
talking about a boss. And then I asked
You
you,
said that narcissistic. So how can you see someone narcissistic at the workplace?
hey, I have a
Exactly.
narcissistic white
No.
employer.
You
Okay.
need to go to
No,
dictionary and
Mr.
understand
Yeah,
what
man,
does the
no,
word
let's
narcissistic mean.
Mr.
Mr.
Tolani afika
Wait,
khuluma.
wait.
Mr. Tolani,
Mr. Ngwepe, I think,
sawubona, you can
wait.
speak.
Mr. Ngwepe, I think,
No, yakhuluma Mr. Tolani.
Ngiyabonga weziro ukuthi phela izolo kuye kwaphuma namagama ukuthi you see abantu abamnyama abanjani bayaxongozela, they don't wanna listen, but anyway, weziro mfethu ukhona nomunye ongenile izolo washo wathi and mhlawumbe kwesinye isikhathi sibuye sivumela abantu basidegrade ngenye indlela. Okay, ngifuna ukuya la mina ekuthenini guys, uma kuqala ngo-1994 ogogo bethu nomkhulu bejabulela ukuthi siye enkululekweni, babebona ukukhanya okuthize esasingena kubona. Okay, izolo kungenele topics iy'ndaba zo-Shoprite njalo oMashandu bekhuluma ezinye zezinto ukuthi abantu abamnyama abanangqondo njalo. Engifuna ukusho ukuthi guys, izinto ey'ningi ezenziwa abantu abamhlophe bazithathele kuthina, ukuzibuka kuthina ukuthi this helps abantu abamnyama, therefore bona bazi-upgrade ngendlela yesilungu ukuthi thina siye kuzona. Why ngisho kanjalo? Even ama-chemist, kunezinto ey'ningi ama-chemist othi uma uya kuzona ubone ukuthi initially this thing into yesiZulu, thina as abantu abamnyama esikwaziyo ukuzenzela yona sikwazi ukuzelapha kuyona. Mawuye ey'tolo njengamanje uyothenga omadumbe obhatata ubafica bebiza imali ezinkulu koWoolworth, but izinto lezi singakwazi ukuthi sizitshalele zona sikwazi ukuthi sizenzele umnotho. Njengamanje kunama-applications amaningi emisebenzi efuna abantu bala eko-America ukuthi ngisho kuthiwa unawo matric mawuneminyaka emincane kuya ko-50 ungeze uzosebenza ukwazi ukulima wenze yonke leyo nto leyo. Izinto lezo thina ezisibulalela umlando wethu nomnyombo wethu ezabantu ukuthi umnotho wethu ulele kuphi. Okay, bese ngiza la 0 lempi le eliwa manje yabantu abamnyama nabamhlophe, it's not gonna be easy for us to win it. The reason why mawuthi uyabheka la eSouth Africa njengamanje kuliwa impi yabo Dudula yama illegal immigrants, kuliwa impi ko KZN abo Jacinta yama illegal immigrants. That ukodwa sesilwa sodwa thina as abantu abamnyama, because abanye babantu abamnyama esilwa nabo bama illegal immigrants, yet balwa sengathi balelwa eSouth Africa. And la eSouth Africa izitha zethu yes umuntu omnyama, and now umuntu omunye oseyisitha sethu yilama illegal immigrants azalwe yilaba abantu abama illegal immigrants. So that's why kwesinye isikhathi uzothi mawufika kuma platform anjengalawa kuzoliwa, and makuliwa uthola ukuthi akuli kuphela South Africans but kulwa illegal immigrants and also phinde kulwe ingane zama illegal immigrants la. So le fight le angeke iziphele, angeke ziye ndawo. That's why this kid ba degrade kanje, because abanye balwa from the anger yokuthi ene kuthiwa baphume eSouth Africa, and they know very well ukuthi they are not from South Africa and they are here ngokungemthetho. So ileyo nto leyo before bengithuke belwe nami 0 bengifuna ukuzosho njalo nje ukuthi le mpi le isisazoyilwa sisodwa, not ukuthi sizoyilwa kuthiwa umuntu white ngempela, isazolwa umuntu omnyama nomuntu omnyama, but lo muntu omnyama oyi-illegal immigrant uzobelwa as a South African, elwisa ama-South African futhi, because akekho umuntu oyi-South African ebona ukuthi onakele kanje kwi-country kunje kodwa avumele ukuthi lezi zinto ezenzeka abantu abamhlophe zi-right. It's because they fight, because abanye babo bazama ukulaya thina as South Africans nge-concern yento esinayo ukuthi rate ye-employment iyabheda eSouth Africa. These kids engikhuluma ngazo ukuthi abanangqondo bashisa amathayari emgaqweni abasile, because they are sick and tired of the things that are happening in the country and no one is saying a word about it. And you guys, if you are educated enough to assist labo zakwenu aba-black abanye, why can't you go back to them and assist them to come and boost ukuthi abasile la kwi-platform yaka social media? Can't we go back to our local municipalities, local provinces where we come from and assist lezo ngane lezo, and instead of coming here and boost ukuthi wena uhlakaniphile ini? We also stay in places, big places, Gauteng, but we do go back originally la esibuya khona kuyolungisa ukuthi guys asibafukuleni nakuze bafike la esikhona nathi. So lento yokuthi shade nesodwa la sithukana ukuthi ubani usile, who was trying to prove a point ukuthi ubani owamedara bani umuntu omnyama, ngithi what are you doing about that? Are you even making any difference to fight that? Amadoda futhi who are saying these things. Look at Jacinta Ngobese, she's a girl. Look at the Zandile Wetutula, she's a girl. Girls are standing up for everyone. Amadoda, they come and nywe on social media. Bye 0, I'm gone.
Thank you so much, Putum Dala. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Putum Dala. What hurts me the most is ukuthi laba bathetha bathi banyanjani black community, they have sold us out. They don't want to stand up, they don't want to do anything. Kodwa ba against abantu who are actually trying to help the black community because they sold us out bona. Let's go to Mashandu.
Can you give me like
Mashandu, hi. Mashandu,
Hey
mama.
baba, unjani?
Ngiyaphila ma, wena unjani?
Hayi ngiyaphila.
Sijabulela ukuba khona kwakho ku-live lena. Mhlawumbe you can be able to educate laba ongwaphe, Reds, Mr. Whites. Hopefully we can find a solution because they don't see ukuthi silwa impi, and impi yethu ilele ekutheni ukuthi we must stop lento eyenziwa isitha. That's the main focus as youth, as into manje nje. because
Mara
ICITA has
ngithi yazi
destroyed
ukuthi mina
us.
nabi one WhatsApp group.
Hayi, khuluma maso kulalela.
Mara izolo ngikhulumile Zero mina.
And
Ayisekho into engizoyisho too much because izolo ngikhulumile. I mean ngikhulumile
hey,
bengizitshela ukuthi mina maybe kunala uthathe khona.
angithathanga mama, angithathanga. Izolo
And
ngilimali,
you
awuyikhuluma
remember izolo
ngilimalile.
azange ngiphenduleke mangibuza ukuthi konje uNkosi uShaka wabulawa ubani. Azange ngithola impendulo.
Hayi ma, inkinga mami ngeke.
And then ngaphinde ngabuza ukuthi konje umphefumulo uthe uma uphume enyameni. Ayihe ukuthi uShaka baka prophesize. Uthe umoya uma uphume enyameni uShaka washiya namapha amazwi. Wathini? I think mawungathola ukuthi uShaka wabulawa ubani and then amazwi wakhe wokugcina umphefumulo mawuphuma enyameni wathini? Ama-answers wonke lapho.
No, but
Namhlanje nje
njengamanje we are trying to fight ICITA. Njengamanje we want ICITA to leave us because singakwazi to run our own country, do our own things, and then I think we will be better
But
off.
Zero, how can you run a country?
No,
with
Ngwape,
data?
no, wait.
How can you run a
We can be better off when Amana if ICITA just left when Amashando. We can be better off.
I can't leave. I can't.
No,
Sorry, Shem.
ngisho mina ICITA mina.
Mina Mama White angithi akusisitha. Problem lapho.
Kanjani? How can they not be your enemy? Kuningi kanje abasenza kona kodwa ma, they have to go. At least
Like what?
Like what? Like what?
Uyabona mina wait Zero mina into maybe mina for myself into engingayisho yilokuthi before bona beza kithi back to our roots beyingcono before beza, but right now because they introduce kithi izinto zabo kuzoba nzima for us ukuthi sibuyele to our roots siyuze izinto beziyuzwa abobaba omkhulu bethu. So that sabazile empilweni zethu they introduce yonke into isystem yonke nje aba-introduceile, so kuzoba nzima for us ukuthi sibuyele emuva. We understand. And when it comes to iBhayibheli mina I always said ukuthi at least kuBhayibheli makungaba khona ama-scientist wokuthi umuntu wesifazane ipain angeke isaba khona, kube khona nje udoctor uthi yazini mina ngiyayiqeda wonke lo msangano weBhayibheli ukuthi umuntu wesifazane makazala ipain izoba khona ngalendlela, especially makuyi-natural birth. We understand, but ipain ikhona and kube ishayo from kuGenesis. Angazi noma uyangizwa baba.
Ngiyakuzwa man, ngiyakuzwa, but ngilimele at the same time because I want you to acknowledge uyivume le ndaba ukuthi ICITA they hurt us and asibafuni manje lana izolo you mentioned indaba yokuthi emsebenzini siphiwa osweet ama-chocolate, asibafuni o-chocolates babo wemama, sifuna
ngobuntu izolo bengikhuluma ngobuntu ukuthi umlungu makakucela ukuthi uyenze umsebenzi knowing ukuthi akusilo okumele uyenze ukucela polite aphinde abuye azokubonga ubuntu, and then a black person abantu bethu abakwenzi lokho ukutshela the way ukuthi uyazi ukuthi bayingakho abantu abafuna umsebenzi. If awuyenzi lento
ubuntu bani hlupheka, ubuntu bani hlupheka, ubuntu uzosiza. We are poor, we have nothing as the black community. Lo buntu busisi ndawo. Sifuna the land thina, sifuna the resources, sifuna back lokho kwakuwethu from the very beginning. Manje ubuntu buzobusiza ngani ubuntu ma?
Zero, I think ukuthi ubuntu.
I'd also like to say something.
Okay.
Abelungu abanabo ubuntu Mashando. Ubuntu it's a nguni name, it's a ngunu trait. Usuke bribe nje umlungu and usuke nikeza u2 that doesn't mean anything to them. And wait, I wanted to say something about ukuthi ukhulume ngokuthi we were better off without them and now we cannot go back. One, abelungu do not own evolution. thina sabantu abamnyama we would have been far off from where we started without their interference. Nayi
We will
reference,
be.
most of the inventions akhona enziwa abantu abamnyama, abelungu bababulale, and then they take credit. It's not ukuthi we are not capable of sustaining ourselves. It's not ukuthi we are not capable of evolving and ensuring ukuthi nathi isizwe sethu sabantu abamnyama progresses. Because anything I understand ukuthi the earliest records of civilization is in Africa. Africans are way more smarter than white people. Even like the old pyramids, these old structures that were built decades and centuries ago. When people look at them, they're like, Haibo, how did people
You are
think
lying.
to build
Hey, you are
structures
a
like
liar.
this? So it's
Wanda,
those things that you
ngikubuze.
guys
You are
don't want to
lying. Hey.
acknowledge about
No,
yourselves.
ngikubuze Wanda.
Uguti, you guys are way smarter than
How
white
did you
people,
come? How
and
did
you
you?
don't
No,
need
no,
How
them
did
to
you
validate you
no,
guys.
the pyramid to a Zulu
I'm trying to
house?
no.
say something, and I don't understand
Ngiyalahlwa,
why
no,
Yeah,
people
but
are
then
speaking
how did
over
you
me.
go
Wanda,
from
buza
having
I
a
nawe
don't
Wanda.
pyramid to
appreciate
a
that
Zulu house?
also.
Ngiyayilahla.
Why are you guys speaking over me?
We're asking you a question. How do you
Why are
go
you
from
speaking
having a
over me?
pyramid
Because
to build something that was built by the Zulu people that can be removed by the waters? Don't be crazy. There's nothing like that. You
You
can't
guys are
build a
racist.
pyramid.
what thing was
Okay.
removed by the
No,
waters? I'm not crazy. Why?
no,
The,
That is
no.
crazy
To
Okay.
disrespectful.
have you
Andile, hi.
have
No,
you
no, no,
seen the
no.
houses
Hi,
If
that
you
hi,
ask
have
me
hi,
a
been built
question,
Zero.
you're
throughout the
gonna give
entire
me a
history?
chance to ask to answer.
Oh, wait.
No.
Uyabonga
Okay.
wapi mina into ebengikhuluma ngayo.
Ngiyayilahla lapho.
Sikhuluma ngabantu abamnyama la in
Andile,
general,
So,
and we're
no,
talking about
no,
Africa.
no.
Yeah,
No,
Andile.
Wanda. No, Wanda, you
Andile.
can't say
Can I
that.
say
No.
something? Zero.
You can't say
Wait,
black people
Andile.
are smarter than white people, ne? And at the same time, Godfrey, no red, lenda by show.
We are smarter than them. Hayibo Andile.
How do you complain about someone that is you're smarter than of? I
Okay,
mean that's crazy.
so zero, ne? So
How do you
zero.
complain that
So zero.
the person you're
Angiyalingwa
smarter than
namhlanje, ngiyalingwa.
is
No.
controlling you? You can't be controlled
Yeah,
by.
yeah.
There's no way of it to.
Yeah.
Andile,
That's a good
ngeke.
question.
Andile, are you one of us? Yini? Now we sell out, Andile. Now we sell out. Now it's under my white now. Now we sell out
Wait,
now.
can I
How can you be a
Ngeke.
smart person and you complain about the stupid person is controlling
Wait,
you?
fine. Ngikunikeza minute, ne?
Yeah, khuluma. Write your
So
wrongs.
now,
Sikulalele. Ibu.
so into uGodfrey akhuluma ngayo no Reds abakhuluma ngayo ne, those things statistically correct, because when they say black people yibo abayenza violent crime more than white people ne, but what I'm not supporting, it's what they are saying ukuthi bona bathi solution ukuthi now we need to join white people. Now they say because of that now we need to join. What they are not looking at ukuthi why zenzekala lezo zinto lezo abathi zayenzakala, why are black people violent? That if we can answer that
Andile, can I
question,
answer?
then
Yes,
we'll
can I
find
answer
a
you?
solution.
Yes, can I
Man,
answer you, Andile?
guys, I don't
Wait,
understand why you
Wanda.
guys talked
Wanda,
over
you've
me
been
because I was still
talking.
saying something.
No, Wanda,
Why are you
please.
guys speaking over me? Because I
So,
didn't even finish what I was trying to say.
no, Wanda, you've
So
been speaking
why
this whole
am I not?
time. So, Zero, what I want to say is he asked the question. Might I please answer?
Ngiqala phansi yabo manje ngiqala phansi ngifaka abantu kahle. My first mistake ngirealize manje ukuthi ngihleli nabantu who love white people. Kugcwele bona yazi bese kusele mina no Wanda abantu esithi simele i-black community nonke ngithanda isitha. Stress. Tiara, hi.
How are you guys? How are you all doing?
We're very good, Tiara. Well, you're welcome. I'm sorry for not
Thank
acknowledging
you
you.
very
That's what it
much.
is.
I just wanted to say something about this topic about black people and white people. I'm always on the black people, obviously, because, you know, growing up in a white people environment, seeing how they were taught to look at us like we are not humans, and they give us these fake smiles that you can see that this is a fake smile, yet you're giving them a real, genuine love, and then they see you like you don't don't have 5 common senses. At the same time, they feel like, when they're looking at you, they see that you don't see what they are doing. You understand? And once you want to voice up, now it goes to a racism. Then they'll be like, no, black people, they say white people are racist, but they are the first ones to, throw words and throw this kind of, issues at them. You understand? And also at the same time, I just want to clarify something about what Wanda was talking about when she said that she spoke about so many things, but I'm just going to touch one topic, one line. She mentioned that black people are more smarter than white people and we can do without them. I'm not against that statement, but at the same time, she was correct. Black people are more smarter than white people. It's just that we didn't have enough resources to sponsor our smartness. You understand? Like, we already have the pictures, we are blessed, we have everything that we need in our hands. We have the strength, we have the resources, but then we don't have the, like, how do I put it, like, equipment to start building whatever that we need to build. For example, internet wise, if it wasn't for white people that had to come and invest in some of the things, probably South Africa wouldn't be where it is. Okay, that's number one. Why am I saying so? I'm going to give an example of Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe is a country that removed white people from the government, and look at it now. You understand? Because they didn't have sponsors from anywhere. Mugabe went against white people, and Zimbabwe went from better to worse. Now they are starting from scratch, trying to make connections with those white people that they told, no, we don't need you in our government, you understand? But then if we say it in a way that looks like, they are smarter and stuff, like, it won't really work. But yes, we do have copper, we have iron, we have gold, we have all these, things that they need, and in exchange of money or whatsoever. So I feel like I can't say 50-50, but then, like, probably Africans, we are maybe 60-40 to white people, because white people, they can say, okay, if you have your gold, then use your gold there, and then we are going to cut this and this and this and this from Africa. Then will Africa survive? 60%, yes, we can survive without them, but 40%, no. Some of the things, we still need them. You understand? We still need them white people, because they are also the ones that introduced most of the things that we are using today. Okay, but
No, we
while
don't
we
need them, sister.
while
We
we are
don't.
still there, look at Burkina Faso. You understand? It's just that as black people, or maybe some other parts of Africa, we are very ignorant about all these things. The reason being, Burkina Faso is doing well, okay? It's doing well. They don't use any other currency. They don't do like what other countries are doing, other African countries are doing, and they are doing well. Why can't we Africans join hands together, do one thing that can take us to another level? Because truly speaking, I feel like we Africans are against each other more than white people are against each other. That's another topic I wanted to bring, actually, because look at it like this. White people, when they see each other on the road, right, they don't say, I'm Latin, I'm American, I'm British, so I don't help this white person. You understand? They try to cover up for each other. But as black people, we go against each other. When I see a black person that is suffering today and I'm driving Mercedes-Benz, I'm not going to help this person that is looking for a job. Why? Because I'm going to think he's going to steal from me. But you never give this person a chance. You never try this person to see if he's going to be loyal or not. You understand? So I feel like in black people community, if we can be able to join hands together, do one thing together and be able to learn to trust each other. Try to dig the bottom of how did people started stealing? How did people started being monsters, killing each other? How did people started
Masiara, I'm sorry for cutting you off, Tiara. That was very powerful. I need to go back to Umashandi. Oh man, I've started it off kahle. Oh man, iqale phansi kungena abantu abasha asihambile ama-racist. Mashandu, Mom, I hope uzwile because uTiara has just he tried ukuthi ayibeke lento in a way ukuthi understand ukuthi labantu laba abekho right. At least mama isho ukuthi manje usuyayibona iway because ngeke ungitshela ukuthi sifuna ubuntu babo sesifundile manje, we have the degrees, we have the skills, sesi-right manje ubuntu babo si-right ochocolate labo abasipha bona emsebenzini asibafuni mama, it's-right. We want to take control
Ngicela
now of
ukusho
this
something,
village.
just one thing, I'm sorry. Ngicela ukuthi ufake timer if you don't mind, ne? Introduce a timer so that there is an order and then everyone can speak properly and then singaphazamisani masikhuluma. Thank you.
Khululeke basaphazamisa abahambile ama-racist manje. Mashandu hayi, mama phinda ubuye buya mama, sesifundile manje. I'm sure umzwile uTiara. I'm sure you heard her saying all those beautiful things. Okay, ngathi uyanqena. Khululeke ngizokulinda uzobuya. For now, let's go to
Zero.
a chosen one. No, qala uba a chosen one. Bhuti omdala,
Sure.
kunjani?
Dumelang Apsheni. Hello everyone.
Hi, hello, welcome.
Yeah, mina Prawam Zero, I'm very disappointed ukuzwa ukuthi most of us black people, we are still lacking to do what we call self-introspection or emancipation, yabo sifunde, because no, you can tell ukuthi abantu abaningi they are still in Eurocentric type of a thing. Like, okay, let me just cut my story short. Kunencwadi kuthiwa is The Making of a Slave by William Lynch. Now, the book is a letter. It's a letter delivered by William Lynch to fellow masters, white people, those who were controlling slaves back then. Now, the book entails, I'm going to only talk about 3 pillars that white people used. And I can tell ukuthi lento bayenzile kuleya ncwadi is happening even today. I will add on Tiara by saying that. Tiara uti, black people, we are no longer helping one another. We come with different perspectives and all that. Now, they used 3 pillars, those people, the white masters, back in the days when the slavery trading was still happening. They said, use a woman to weaken a man. They used fear, distrust, and envy. Multiplayer envy is the most aspect esihlangana nayo abaningi kakhulu, because siyahalelana, we envy each other. And multiplayer, we envy each other material objects, not any other thing but material things. And remember, those material things are being provided by the same system. Yabo? And then whatever inside the fear, they used churches, religions, beliefs, and all that. Now, but the actual fear, it was performed in a farm, whereby they took a pregnant woman, tear her belly, while the baby while she was still carrying a baby, I believe, maybe 4 or 5 months. In doing that, they made sure that all the black women slave women, they witnessed that. Why? Because they infiltrated, or they were inserting fear in them. The last one is distrust. As Tembana abantu abamnyama, so we will never get along. And now, the book also mentioned something. It says black people will self-refuel themselves into slavery, which is what we are doing today. We are self-refueling ourselves. We no longer even see we don't no longer value traditional ways, food and everything. We see ourselves very much rich, eating those outlets foods, our franchise and ukudla kwama fast foods. You understand? So we have lost it too much to a point that we will never ever. They divided us and they're conquering us and they will forever conquer us. The only option or the only solution ukuthi sicale ngama-cult wethu if it has to be to go to that point. Senze ama-cult because there is this other cult that is booming now in Mpumalanga. They even went on the 23rd of September. They went there to the I think it's a preserved land for black people where I believe it is a calendar, something like that. But black people covered the whole land with their own game range or whatever. But then if you can go there and check that there's not even a antelope or anything, but the land is preserved for them. You must go to the municipality to ask for approval and everything. And land, it directly talks to us. It's our roots, it's our practice. So, ladies and gentlemen, masingafunda, maybe emancipation will start and at least there will be a progress.
I'm sorry for cutting you off, Putumdala, but ngiyabonga, we've all learned kakhulu before siyakumashando and then masisaqhubeka because wonke umuntu will get a chance to speak. Uthi ukhethani lapha kuma comments, we are still oppressed, we are still slaves. Mina ngivumelana nawe Putumdala. Mashando ma, I hope uzwile manje, ngisiyazi ukushintsha umqondo
Baba,
siyavama.
yazi manje kimi iba personal, sengifuna nokukhala.
Nami.
Sengifuna nokukhala because of sengikhulumela manje i-personal life sengiba deep ngalendlela. Sengizubuhlungu ngalendlela ngomuntu omnyama because of mina bengizitshela ukuthi abantu abamnyama like abangekho right. Bengizitshela kanjalo ukuthi maybe ilaba abangazange bafunda, special abakithi amaZulu. Ngizitshela ukuthi yibo abangekho right because bangafundanga. Mina ngi-experience kunama-lawyer ayi-2. A1 eyendlu bekumele yenze i-change of owner kimi to buy a house. Mina I'm a buyer. Umuntu udla imali hambile. Lawyer yokuqala leyo. Umuntu omnyama loyo. Owakithi umuntu omnyama. Uhambile nemali. I-lawyer yes2, lawyer even worse, umntwana okhulele lapha ngwami ngakithi. Naye very same thing. Uyi-lawyer, naye udla imali. Uhambile. Angikhona ukubathola. Angikhona even ukuthi ngibavulele i-case. But I still have proof yemali yami to i-account yabo. Still azange bakhona ukuthi bangenzele into ezi-right mina. Abantu bakithi laba abamnyama. Kuzoba number 2. Abantu abakithi abamnyama most banama-contract bayakha. Umuntu uthatha i-deposit lana ayithathe lana nini mawuthi uyabheka kwakho akasezi kuzoqedelela. Wena sowusele inerefungi ekhamisile akasezi kuwe manje nale balance yakho esela akasezi kuwe sakaya komunye umuntu. And wena mawuzofuna umuntu ukuthi azoqedelela le job yakhe sekuzoba umunye umsebenzi futhi. So mina zero man umuntu omnyama man no I don't know ukuthi why anjalo kwenzakalani ngathi but mina ngi-right ngomuntu omnyama baba. Even worse manje because bengizitshela ukuthi ofundile ubetter but bona labo bangigilile. Even worse ke lo okhulele la ekhaya la estradini sethu la umntwana bengimthemba ngemali naye gone. And into ebuhlungu ukuthi angikhoni ukuthi ngibavulele something ngivule icase or ini angikhoni yini umuntu omnyama. So wena uzoyithini into enjalo?
Mama, can I advise you go to the LPC for those lawyers who took your money?
Hayibo, buyile lo.
And we understand ukuthi manje sokuzomela ngicela emsebenzini ngenze lonto leyo kunje kuzomela nje ngicela ilifu mina manje sokumele ngicela ilifu ngabantu bakithi engibathembile ngemali yami. Unguthi bona they earn more than mina but still abala mahloni ukuthi baphinde bathathe imali yami. Yo hayi shame umuntu omnyama, yo hayi shame.
Yeah,
hayi
you
mina
know,
ngizwile shem.
Mama,
Hayi umuntu omnyama mina ngiyabonga.
yeah,
Hayi
Mama
ngiyabonga
Mashudu,
shem.
ngicela ukukhuluma. Mama Mashudu, next time please go to white people because they can help you. Black people have failed. Black people are thieves. The only person who can help you next time, is a white person. God bless white people.
God bless white people.
God bless white people more.
God bless white people shem.
Ha, ha.
Hayi
Hayibo ngeke yabezo bathini?
sanibonani,
Mara
sanibonani.
injalo.
Hayibo.
Sanibonani.
Thokozile. Yebo sawona sithokozile.
Yazi umuntu omnyama ulimele. Sanibonani. Ngiyabonga nje ukuthi ungi-accept Zero. Yazi umuntu omnyama ulimele, ukulimala kwengqondo, ukulimala kwayo yonke into. And that's why they made sure izitha zenze sure ukuthi they put in systems that are going to force us into inequality and this way of thinking. It's a design by the systems that were introduced. Ngithanda lokhu nje, if you study law, go and check the lokhu nje, the system created lokhu nje iphalo ngizoyikhumbula manje, where they show lokhu nje people who are in the cave and they play kunomlilo la phakathi kwi cave and they would play images zale lokhu nje zazizinto ezenzeka ngaphandle to scare people from trying to break out and go out bake bayofuna impumelelo ngaphandle. So whatever was portrayed on the walls or the caves la ngaphakathi izitha bezithatha amahashi benze ngathi amahashi benza umsindo kwenzeke ngathi abantu bayabulawa. People inside the cave nalaba bazalelwe lapho ngaphakathi always believed ukuthi there was something ebulala abantu uma be escape, and that's exactly what Isita introduced kithi, using politics, using systems and taking our land and taking everything that made us strong. And as a result, that's the reason why we fight over the little that we currently have. Ilezinto ezikhala ngabo umashandu mesho ukuthi abantu abamnyama abanye manje abasathembakali ingoba the only time they will get money laba abamnyama or lama lawyers, it's when they get a business from emntwini and bese abasathembakali ke bazokwenza lezi zinto abazenzayo. But it was also part of the system that made umuntu omnyama abone umuntu omnyama njengesitha, and we take from each other instead of helping each other. Besi kwi topic lokho AI. So siphume kuyo off elokhu njeni because abantu bekhuluma ngokunye. AI is a system that mirrors the intelligence of the user. Mina nawe Zero singayibuza AI umbuzo owodwa kodwa izosinikeza answers ahlukile depending on how we ask the question. So it picks up from the intelligence yomuntu obuza lo mbuzo. That's one. Secondly, AI, it's another system that was created by Yebo Isita, but the only way ukunqoba isitha ngoba nabo what they did uma be introduce these systems, uyakhumbula ukuthi kufunwa labantwana abasmart, the intelligent kids, the most intelligent kids, to test if a system will be able to control abantu asebekhona, because abazalwayo njalo bazalwa behlakaniphe ukundlula.
Ngiyaxolisa umnqamula sisi wami. I want to give everyone a chance to speak, but ngiyabonga. Before nje ngiyaka uthi GAP ngicela nje unixoxa amashandu, ngiyaxoxa mawami, ngikuhlonipha kakhulu kodwa usuvele wathi God bless white people. Ngiyaxoxa nje mhlawumbe sobonana mhlawumbe ngelinye kwenye live kodwa nje kwanamhlanje ngiyabonga.
Okay baba.
Hawu ngeke Reds hamba mfethu bye bye. Uba omunye ngwaphi hayi papa now hayibo bathi God bless white people. Ha. Ngiyaqacela nje. Bhuti omdala TG.
Zero, when it's my
Qhubeka.
turn?
Ngingabalungisa
Yes, you
mfethu.
have to wait. Yebo, kunjani bhuti omdala?
Kuhle kunjani?
Siyaphila.
Okay, masiqale la mfethu. Yazi bengiqala uba ndingene before behamba abantu ubajongise ezantsi. Kodwa ke kuningi ufuneka bawufunde. Unfortunately isiZulu sami ke ndithetha isiSotho ke mna but ndizawuzama ukudibanisa nezi isilungu ezinto engasithandi. Andibathandi abantu
Yeah,
ndibathanda.
yeah, you can speak it so English, whatever, so understand. Khululeka. Nathi
Yeah.
asibathanda.
Okay, sure. No, I will mix. But you know, enye into before ndiqhubeka mandiqale la, sometimes it can be dangerous xa sithi asibathandi. Why is because sikhumbule into ebayenza kokhokho bethu babarhlwengula ne, and then kwabakhona imbewu yabakhona yaphuma phayana. So today it's not a matter of a skin color. It's not a matter of a language. It's not a matter of even the locations where they are from or where we are from. Because now bebona we didn't thina njengabantu abantsundu. I want to use that name. Thina njengabantu abantsundu, we never raped anyone. They raped us. They raped our ancestors. They raped our land. They raped our lifestyle. They raped our book. Let me come to this one of a book because I don't know if anyone can see there on my profile, it says The Great Awakening of Bantu. These are the things that I'm teaching. That's why I followed people like you, Zero, because you are sick and tired of this weaponized, I want to call that, this weaponized system. They created a system and they weaponized it only to work against us. Because even for example, I normally ask the people, sonke siyaqhuba emigaqweni bona kanti license abazenzaphi abantu bamhlophe sonke siya ku-home affairs but most of the time you don't see these guys in a home affairs bona i-birth zabo bazenzaphi i-IDs, and also we're talking about their systems, clinics, public clinics that we have today, education, when they call the so-called public education, you cannot find them. The BEE, so-called small businesses, you don't find them. All these systems bazenzele thina taxpayers, they are creating systems and then they are twisting systems over sisebenzele bona ayithina siyabulaleka. So that's what I'm saying, but I don't want to run away from the topic yanamhlanje, which is AI. AI, number one, it has two meanings. I normally tell even the old guys that I used to communicate with, I'm like, AI is not our friend, is our worst enemy than white itself because they created AI. And I know black people also are involved there, even though I cannot say there's a black and a white people. We are abantu abantsundu thina, we're not even black. They are not even white, they are pink, those nonsenses. So now, they created AI, which is alien invasion. They want us to be part, or they want alien to be part of us, Abantu. We are not even humans. We are Abantu, Tina.
Thank you so much bhuti omdala. Yazi uphinde ubuye ngathi ungangena kusa early because there's so much you wanna share nathi. Kuningi. Before ngiqale nje ubhuti omdala uMtimande kade elindile ukungena. Bhuti omdala, welcome.
Kunjani Zero?
Ngiyaphila bhuti omdala.
Yeah, ngiyaphila man. I mean amazwi wami a few man. I just wanna pass through lente AI. Like you always say on your videos, you must always look when they never produce something to us enter. They are always busy with something huge that's coming behind. So now the concept of AI is to replace employment to make izinto zikwazi ukuziranela because they are preparing themselves ukubulala abantu abamnyama in a mess. Bazodepopulate i-Africa in a massive way. So that when they do that, they've got AI to run Africa on its own. They don't need to pay AI. AI angeke itoyitoyi. It runs itself. Lama robot abazabe bawenzile. So the bigger picture is go look it up, Zero, when you've got time. Ukuthi, what is the intentional plan? COVID was a test run. With how obedient are we? Nebathi hlalani ekhaya kune-virus. You understand? That it was a test. It was not good because it was a pandemic or whatever. No, they were testing it. Okay, will it work come 2030? Then they're gonna call it ukuthi there was an outbreak. Ibulela abantu abaningi. That is 6 billion people that needs to be analyzed. So go research on it and you catch back to me. Uzoyenza video ngayo futhi because I follow your videos and you are right on the point. Isitha siphezulu kwethu guys, and people don't understand ukuthi wena you are using their system ukukhipha iqiniso lela abalifihlile. So if people can come on this live and say no, you are using their system, what it's because you've got the guts to go into their systems, keep iqiniso ubabonisa abantu abamnyama ukuthi guys, these people, this is what they are planning. They've planned 100 years before Tina. Tina's planning 10 years, 20 years. They've got 100 years. This thing started way back. Bas planning.
Exactly.
So Tina, if sizo busy gibela ama-panel njengabo Mr. White kanje, because bona they have already been colonized by the white people, bakhuluma lezi zinto abazikhulumayo. It shows us ukuthi kusese nabantu abasazosibetray kule revolution esifuna ukuyenza. There are still people who are going to sell us out. Ukuthi uZero usekane information eso sheshani nimkidnap. You understand? Or sheshani nimthulise. So those kind of people ibona abantu abayinkinga. That's why mina ngingaba promote ukuthi abahambe boyovula life yabo ezo supporta the vision that they've got ngabelungu. Bahlukane nathi thina ngale revolution esinayo esifuna ukushintsha umuntu omnyama ukuthi azibone kuyinkosi ayibona ngcono than umuntu omhlophe. Because we once were labantu bayishintsha bayiguqula yonke lento ngabantu abafana nabo Mr. White nalaba bebangenile bakhuluma lento abazikhulumayo. Yabo, so mina into engizovala kuyona mfowethu ukuthi i-AI, it's not here to work with us or help us with anything. It's here to grasp the knowledge and every corner of umuntu omnyama so that they can use it kulama robot abazowakhanda azotake over yonke lemisebenzi esinayo la eAfrica, so that when they depopulate Africa kukhona imishini ekwazi uku-understand how umuntu omnyama bekasebenza ngakhona. That's the only thing AI izele kona. Nothing less, nothing more. But okay, do your research. I trust you in that. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for i-chance yokugibela kuPanana.
Thank you so much, Bhuti Omdala. Amazwi akhe ayaphilisa. Finally. One day we're closing it off with you. Final words of wisdom. Hey, kade hleli nama-racist weWanda. Yo, vele ngathi ngisuse wonke
Usufuna
umuntu.
ukuhamba?
Yeah,
Why
sengizovala man.
you
Sengizovala.
Yo, that's not nice. Guys, ngizovula me-value zero siqhubeke le ndaba because this is really nice actually. So, ngicela ungangikhathi Nkosi yami. I need a lot of time. So here's what I want to touch on, ne? It really saddens me ukuthi imajority yabantu abamnyama they feel inferior to abelungu. And that's how you know ukuthi yazini abelungu they succeeded in brainwashing us and we are brainwashing ourselves. They don't even need to do the job. Sesiyabenzela thina. And the thing is, these things are so deep. You guys don't understand it. That's why mina bengikhuluma even nange dictionary. Ukuthi already mayichaza as a black person, mawuyoyibuka, you associate yourself with everything that's bad. And then uzobuka media, khona abantu bebekhuluma ngokuthi abantu abamnyama benza ama crimes that are very violent. But guys, angibazi abelungu ne, angaze nwabuka ama-documentaries abo, angaze nibuke izinto abazenzayo. Those people are unhinged. Abanawo ngisho ama-emotions. They would do crazy things to like families, to generations even. So I understand ukuthi how do you guys think that we are worse than them? Even lento ye family structure ne, as much as kuwukuthi yes, as sabantu abamnyama sinesithembu nani, which is there's nothing wrong with this thembu, because that is indlela yokuthi umuntu wesilisa enze sure ukuthi my family is under one roof. Mina ubaba unesithembu and iy'ngane zakhe zonke uyazazi ukuthi igqoka usize bayicathulo. And then you have these woke boys that go around but angikho lapho. But guys, honestly, it's just all these things ukuthi the first thing that they did, they stripped us of our identity. Thina inkinga yethu ukuthi asinayo identity. And we have this crazy inferiority complex ukuthi manje usubona ukuthi umlungu ungcono kunawe, usubona ukuthi umlungu uhlakaniphile kunawe. But most of the inventions that esikreditha abelungu for, abantu abamnyama ba-invente lezo zinto. Abantu abamnyama, they are very intelligent. They are even physically fit. That's why best introducela lezifo to weaken us. That's why even the immunizations that we take as kids, all these things are built against us. Ukuthi yazini, at the end of the day, we need to stay under. We need to stay under. And the thing is, how they outsmarted us is that, first of all, basfundile. And it's in us in Ubuntu, it's in our DNA. Kindness is our thing. And you can't fight umuntu ongazi ukuthi uyalwa naye. Tina, we welcomed these people with warm, open arms. Kanti bona, they went here for fun. They went here for games. They had a purpose. And benza sure ukuthi they execute their purpose. And it is so deep. It is so deep, guys. It is so deep. So it's very sad ukuthi you guys think ukuthi intellectually you are beneath white people. I feel like that is the worst thing I've had today. Ukuthi you believe ukuthi abelungu bahlakaniphile kunani. Guys, I keep saying ngihlale China. China, they are so smart, ne? And that's because one, China yonke into ayifunda ngelanguage yawo. Thina sinenkinga yokuthi asazi isingisi, sihlanyiswa isingisi. Everything needs to be communicated through a language that you don't even speak at home. Ufeyile. Two, i-education system yase South Africa imfavor umuntu omnyama. Sine land but asifundi agriculture esikoleni. Sifuyile kodwa akukho la sifundiswa khona ukuthi this is how you take care of imfuyo. This is what you do. Sifunda ngo-Hitler. Simenzani uHitler, sihlangana phi noHitler. It's all these things that are just all these systems that are built to keep us under. And then Masuzo, Chinese are very smart. Ukuthi, obviously you're not in China, so you wouldn't understand. I teach Chinese kids, Mina, literally every day. So I know these things that I'm talking about. So abantu abamnyama, guys, we are very athletic. Abantu abamnyama, they're very fit. They excel in sports. And abantu abamnyama.
Thank you so much, Wanda. Yo, afisa ngithethisa Wanda. Everyone, please go hop on live ya Wanda. Continue the conversation. Kuzoba mnandi sifundo okuningi kodwa nje namhlanje ngilimele. Khona abavele bathi God bless white people. Angazi yazi uzwe the Steve Biko in me ehlephuka, uzwe the Solomon Mahlangu in me ehlephuka, the Nelson Mandela was breaking inside me. Ethi nje God bless white people. Ngezwe inhliziyo incibilika guys, ngeke, you guys are not welcomed here anymore. Laba nje aba-contributile kulo dodo kade ushiwo kuthiwa God bless white people, you guys are not welcomed here anymore. Angindingi, ningaphinde ningivakashele futhi ningisize ning-unfollowe, ngizonichecka ukuthi ni-unfollowile yini. I'm gonna check. Yabo, because bavele bathi God bless white people. Ha. Hayibo. Kushubile. Siphila komunye umhlaba. It's another world, man. It's Hayibo, noma ngibezwe ngedwa. No man, no, vumani kuma-comment. Ngibazwile noma mhlawumbe it's me, mhlawumbe it's my ears. I heard bethi God bless Africa, white people, base bavumelana bajabula. Yes, yes, white people, yes. Noma ngizwe ngedwa. Hayibo ngeke, hayibo. Hayi abangiblock. I'm not gonna block them. Ibone kumele bablock mina. Yazi angifuni ba like ama-video ami, angifuni ba-comment, angifuni bangifollowe. Ngicela ungaveli ngisho nakwi-for you page yabo. Like nje angifuni bangazi. Ha. Bathi God bless white people. Yazi ngamuzwa the Solomon Mahlangu kimi ehlephuka. Seqaphu. Yes. Ngamuzwa eqhiphuka uSolomon Mahlangu ngaphakathi. Seqaphu. Ay, lungile. Let me end the live. Thank you so much. We'll do it again tomorrow. I'll still be here. So wenza. But mina bengifuna sikhulume nge-black consciousness kusasa. Ngifuna sikhulume ngabo Amon Ra. Ngifuna sibe more awake. Explore the idea of religion itself. Uthi where did it come from? Kanjani kwenzekalani? Because Latina, like Africa, we were more focused on spirituality in the past, right? And then Isita gradually introduced religion. So yeah, gonna do that. Kusasa, I think usually I'm live about 3 to 4. So yeah. So khuluma nje spirituality, religion, uJesu. We're gonna break it down. Tell you labantu laba who represented uJesu, which is uSiza Buke. We're gonna talk about the conspiracy yonke lento where it started iyapi. Sizokhuluma ngeVatican. Some people don't know what the Vatican is. Ngizonitshela mina ngeVatican. It'll be nice. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for joining the live. And to those abathe God bless white people, I ngeke ngaphinde ngfollow guys, ngiblockeni, please I beg you.